What's up? It's your girl CC back with another video.
Trying to accomplish, like I said, mainly for my family, and I'm blessed to have a group. Actually, y'all family. I'm blessed to have extended family and mentors to look up to.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. So yesterday's color party was a blast. I'm sorry, I don't even think that I got much footage. Gabe was actually recording, but we had an amazing time. I personally just want to say thank you to everybody for coming out and supporting my husband. I really appreciate it. It's nothing like family, you guys. It is nothing like having family, and I'm so glad that you guys are also a part of our family. So I hope you felt like you were there at the color party, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did, or almost as much as we did. We're actually headed to breakfast. There's like a must-do breakfast spot in Pigeon, so we are headed there. What's the name of it, babe? Five Oaks Farm Kitchen. And so we are going to give that a try. So let's go.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night.
So I got the sunrise. It's strawberry juice and orange juice. Thumbs up. What you get? What you get? Chocolate milk. Y'all, breakfast was delicious. However, that is a whole lot of food. So if you go there, I would suggest sharing. D, me, and Grayson could have definitely shared one platter. Although, if we would have shared, nobody would have got any biscuits and gravy, because when I tell you this man tore them biscuits and gravy down, I think that was his favorite part of the meal. Was that your favorite part?
Yeah. And I don't know what they did today, but I don't eat biscuit and gravy like that. But they put some stuff in that gravy. I don't know what they put in it.
So yeah, we headed back to either walk this off, sleep this off, I don't know, but we got to get it off because it's heavy. It was good. Oh, excuse me, y'all. It was good. It was filling. It was satisfying. It was delicious. And now we are headed back to the RV. Good morning, y'all. So it is Sunday. It is the day that we leave, and it is bittersweet. Everybody is packing up. Forever Tripping over there packing up. Southern Ethos over there packing up. Oh, everybody is packing up, and we're getting ready to join the caravan. D went to go get gas. I think this is him pulling up right here. So yeah, I really don't know how much footage I got on this trip. Like I said, it was a time, but you definitely had to be there. So I really had a good time though. I definitely didn't get any footage of Margaritaville. It's a beautiful campground. I'm sure you could search YouTube University and find a video on Margaritaville Pigeon Forge. But it was an amazing campground, awesome location, and yeah, I'm gonna miss all my friends, but we have to do it again, and I can't wait to see everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, tell your mama them, tell your sister them, tell your brother them, tell your daddy them, tell your uncle them, tell your auntie them, tell all of them that CC's World TV has a lot going on her channel, and you don't want to miss it. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I thought that our camping adventures were over, but we are back at our moose stocking spot at Camp de la Boyd, and we pulled into a feast. So let's go upstairs and see what the chef has prepared. So we walked into a whole spread. Of course, we have a salad. We have toppings for the salad. We have cabbage, potatoes and carrots, corn, all the things. And we got Mom's famous punch.
Yes, Mom's videoing. You ain't videoing.
She fine. I'm sorry. So we about to eat in celebration of our return and someone's birthday. I didn't even mention that y'all internet baby turns 5 tomorrow. So let's see. Yeah.
Hand it to me.
All right, y'all. So
Let me see that.
dinner, amazing. I'm telling y'all, if y'all could get a reservation at Camp de la Boyd, get you a reservation. But you know they don't be letting any and everybody stay. You gotta be a special type of person. And you know what else we found out they had? Y'all good friend D, he locked us out of the camper.
Yeah, girl, yeah.
But they had locksmith service. They had locksmith service at Camp de la Boyd, and we was back in like that. So yeah, but we about to sing happy birthday to y'all internet baby, and then I'm gonna let y'all go for real this time.
For real this time.
All right. Whose birthday is it?
Mine.
I thought he was 15.
Are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Grayson. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. Okay, you
You
gotta
gonna
go
blow out
out.
the candles?
We got to get situated.
Uh-oh, you need help? Oh, you
Come on,
got
man.
it.
Come on, come on.
Hey.
Good job.
And with that being said, we're out. Peace.